What he says is this, what I imply is this, that pagans are sacrificing. When they do that, they are offering to demons and not to God. I don't want you to be participants with demons, he says. You cannot drink the cup of the Lord and the cup of demons. You cannot partake of the table of the Lord and the table of demons. So he's likening it to pagan sacrifice in a way. Pagans are sacrificing to the gods, but they're really to the demons. They think they're gods, but they're really demonic. He's putting a transcendent nature onto the Lord's table. It's not just, hey, let's eat some bread, have a little bit of wine or grape juice, depending upon your church tradition. No. He's saying you're engaging in a transcendent moment when you are at the table of the Lord. And by that, he means, of course, the Lord Jesus.